Hey guys, welcome back to AI Border. Today I'm testing one of the most interesting AI video models I've seen recently. The latest Vidu model, Vidu Q3. And this one is different because Vidu Q3 is not just focused on generating videos, it's built for storytelling. It can generate video and voice together in a single generation. Now, this is not completely new, but what makes Vidu Q3 stand out is the duration. Most AI video tools are limited to around 6 to 8 seconds. Vidu Q3 pushes that up to 16 seconds while generating visuals, voice, emotion, and timing all at once. That means no voice recording, no lip sync, no timeline editing, no manual adjustments. Everything comes out as one complete cinematic result. And according to the latest rankings from Artificial Analysis, Vidu Q3 is currently ranked #1 in the world, even ahead of tools like Runway Gen 4.5, Google VEO, and OpenAI Sora. So let's test it. Right now I'm on Vidu.com and everything runs directly inside the platform. On the left side, you can switch between different generation modes like reference to video, image to video, and text to video. For this test, I'm using text to video with the Vidu Q3 model. Here, I'll write a simple prompt. 2 astronauts talking. Start with a wide shot, then close up on speaker A, then speaker B. Speaker A says, "We don't have much time left." Emotional tone, cinematic lighting, soft ambient space sound. Before generating, you can also control key settings. You can set the duration up to 16 seconds, choose full HD 1080p resolution, adjust aspect ratio, and even switch between cinematic or faster generation modes. You can also generate multiple variations at once, up to 4 outputs in a single click. And one important detail here is multi-shot control, because inside the prompt, I'm actually defining the camera sequence. For example, starting with a wide shot, then moving into a close-up, and then another close-up. So the camera transitions are automatically generated as part of the final video. Now let's push it further. Let's try a high-speed action scene, a fast-paced chase through a futuristic city, dynamic camera movement, motion blur, dramatic lighting. This is where you really see how well Vidu Q3 handles motion and scene continuity. And now, let's try something different. An anime-style cinematic scene. A character standing in the rain, emotional expression, cinematic lighting, slow camera movement. This is where Vidu Q3 really stands out for stylized storytelling. Now I click Generate, and you can actually see results coming out very quickly, and here it is. The video is generated, the voice is generated at the same time, the lip sync matches perfectly. You can feel the emotion in the scene.
We don't have much time left.
Then we make this count. もう引き返せない。もう引き返せない。
I didn't generate multiple clips. I didn't edit anything. Everything comes out as one complete video. Now let's talk about voice control. You can control tone, emotion, speed, and even use reference voices. For example, one character can speak in English and another can reply in Japanese or Chinese, and the emotional tone and lip sync will still match naturally. Another very interesting feature is in-scene text rendering. This is not just subtitles, the text becomes part of the scene. For example, you can generate a futuristic interface where UI elements, subtitles, or even street signs appear directly inside the video menu without any editing. Now, let's test image to video. I switch to the image to video tab, then click the first frame and upload my image. And here, you need both parts, the image as the visual reference and the text prompt to describe the motion, mood, and cinematic style. For this example, I'm using an anime-style character. Then I add a prompt with rain, emotional expression, neon reflections, and slow camera movement. I can also set the duration to 8 seconds. Choose Vidu Q3, set the quality to 1080p with H.264, switch the mode to cinematic, and even choose to generate 2 versions at once. Then I click Create. A few moments later, both results appear on the right side, and from here I can compare them and download the one I prefer with or without watermark. So the workflow is simple. Upload image, write prompt, choose settings, generate, and download. Now let me show you something even more powerful, reference-based generation. Here you can upload up to 2 short video clips, each up to 5 seconds, and combine them with up to 4 reference images. For example, you can take the motion from one video, apply it to a different character, and combine it with a completely new environment. This allows you to control character consistency, motion style, and scene composition all at once, which is extremely useful if you want to build longer, connected stories. And this is what I really like about Vidu. It covers the full workflow, from the initial idea to the prompt, then to the character, and finally to the complete video, all inside one platform. If you want to try it yourself, you can find the link in the description. Vidu Q3 is honestly one of the most advanced AI video models right now. It generates video and voice together with no need for editing, syncing, or extra work. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to AI Border, drop a comment, and let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.